Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing some more scripting, and we're going to be learning more about scripts. So, if you want, we're going to be learning about properties. So as you can see, this is basically properties here. In the properties tab, if you can't see this, go to view, go to here, turn it on, like that, drag it wherever you want it, in case I put it here. Now, you can see here that this is a part that I put into the workspace, and you can see that whatever's in workspace, whatever part it is, the parent is the workspace. And with the appearance, this is properties. You can make the brick color whatever you want, so I'm just gonna go for a nice, as you know, that's gonna contrast bad with the environment. Let's just go with the yellow. Material, let's go for brick. Alright. Transparency, we're not going to worry about reflectance because that's only mainly for the glass texture. Now, transparency, you can make it transparent or you can make it opaque. And in between you can make it semi. Anyways, we're going to continue. Data, this tells you in the workspace or in the game or explorer what it's named, what the rotation is in game, and what its parent is, and the position. So the name of it, you can change it here. As you can see, I'm just gonna change it to error, like this, like that. And as you can see, now it's officially named error. The orientation, this doesn't really matter. I can just put the 1. I can't do that. I'm gonna have to do this. Why is it not working? But orientation basically means like what degree it's turned. Yep. Anyways, and if I go down even further, parent is always gonna be a workspace if it's directly in workspace. And then right here, this is how it acts. So anchor, you want that on if you want it to stay put. Can collide on if you want your player to collide with it. If you put it locked, you won't be able to select it in workspace or in the interface, but you'll be able to select it here. And then over here, you're basically done with it. So, what if you want to make a script that allows you to make it transparent, but without making yourself do it? So what we want to do, go to service, put in a script. Remove all of this. And the first thing you want to put is game, because then it specifies that it's in the game. Next, you want to put anything that's higher class. So any of these that are the bigger ones. So since mine's in workspace. Now, I'm going to specify what thing I'm specifying in workspace. So since I put error, let's put error. And now, after that, you can see this is all of the properties you can change, like can collide, transparency, all of that. And since we want transparency, we're gonna put transparency. And we put an equal sign to show that it's giving value. Now, for example, if I want to be completely transparent, you put transparency equals 1. Now, if you want to make sure it works, all you gotta do is run. And now, as you can see, it's not there, but I can still select it. So as you can see, now the script made the part transparent, so you'll not be able to see it in game. And then once I get off of run or the server, it goes back to non-transparent. Now, if you want to name the change, then you gotta remove all of this. Error.name, this specifies what it's called, equals, and if you want it to be, you put a thing called a string. This allows you to basically, and if you want to type in something that says something, you put it in strings or quotation marks or whatever. Then, for example, I'm going to put mode. So now if I run and go here, you can see it's called mode, because the script goes to the game workspace, and then to the part that was called error, go to name, and it made it mode. And then when I get off of it, it's back to error. So there's how you change the name and the transparency.
Jamie's godfather.
Now,
No.
that is how you do those things. And if you want the material, so let's just remove error. Let's just remove. Nope. Let's just. Nope. I messed up a little bit. Workspace dot error dot material. This will allow you to do. Now it put equal, but instead of just putting like whatever you want, like for example neon, that won't work. What you want to do is put. What you want to do is put enum dot material, and then dot, and then now you can put whatever material you want. So since it is brick, I want it to be neon. So there you go. Now I go here, press run, and as you can see now it is neon, and now it is glowing because we specified and we did. And then as you can see, once you get the run, it is no longer neon, and it's back to brick. So that's how you do part materials. So all you gotta do is just put enum material, and enum lets you choose from a pre-identified list. So that's what the definition of that is. And if, for example, if I didn't list it, so if I just put blah, or not blah, and if you want to test the output, put it here. And then if I go here, run, since I put it blah, there's no blah in workspace. So as you can see, blah is not a valid member of workspace. So basically what that means is the script says that there's no such thing as a part named blah in here, because there's no such thing as blah. So what you want to do is go back, go here, and then change it back to error, and then that'll work again. As you can see, if you go back to here, it works again. And as you can see, it works perfectly fine, and if there's errors, they'll be in the output. And as you can see, there's no errors at all. As you can see, there is absolutely no errors at all. So that's how you do part material and transparency. And what else did I do? But yeah, that's pretty much it for this episode. If you guys enjoyed, please consider subscribing. And yeah, that's how you change the name, part, material, and the transparency. Subscribe for more, like it, and all that. See you guys next time. Bye.